Minister of Housing and Water Collin Croal, along with the Chief Executive Officer of the Central Housing and Planning Authority, met with the 30 households last week to discuss their planned relocation from the government reserve along Block X Plantation Herstelling, also called Caneview. That piece of land is integral in the government's plan to construct a 4-lane highway from Eccles to Great Diamond on the East Bank corridor. Minister Croal on Monday explained that CHPA has identified lands at Farm and Herstelling for their relocation. That process would entail an evaluation of the existing structures on the reserve so that persons can be compensated. He explained that the government will be taking care of the cost for the lands.
The area that we met them on, and where we actually met them at the site at where they live, in our design and our layout, it's part of a reserve. And so this was always catered for as part of future plan and expansion. And whenever we do design and layout of housing areas, we always cater for such expansion activities. Or even in some cases where they run along to the canals, the reserves are kept to allow for desilting and drainage. And so this was always part of that mechanism. We have identified 2 areas for them to be relocated, and the one area is actually in Farm and the other one in Herstelling. As I said, there are 30 households that will be affected on this for removal and relocation.
Once relocated, the settlers will have access to healthcare, educational and recreational facilities, as well as access to basic utilities such as electricity and water. Those amenities are currently lacking in the area they are currently situated. And to make the process even more convenient, the Housing Minister said that the residents will also have access to their certificates of title and transports.
We will work with them very closely, and we will partner with them. That one of the reasons why I actually participated in that consultation with the Chief Executive Officer for CHPA is to assure them, because for some of them they have expressed concern of probably mistrust and not keeping to our word. So I wanted to assure them this is our commitment on behalf of government. Some of them are living there close, probably close to 2 decades. But it was not that, and I want to repeat, that area is not allocated, it's a reserve. And so obviously they would have still be affected from future development in terms of road network and the utility services.
The Eccles to Great Diamond Highway will be linked to the new Eccles East Bank of Demerara to Mandela Georgetown Highway. This is in keeping with President Irfan Ali's vision to reduce traffic congestion along the East Bank of Demerara corridor, while also transforming the country's infrastructure landscape and linking communities. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Shakima Day.